In this section, we're going to create static ads for this hat. So to do that, in our folder, we need to open the reference folder, now the products folder, and here we need to upload this image. Now we need to come back to Claude and tell Claude that we have uploaded this image and that we want static ads. So I have just uploaded an image of a hat, of a cap, sorry, and I want you to create static ads using all the templates available. After that, I want you to show me the ads. So now let's press enter. And now we have to wait a little bit. Here, well, my computer is asking me if I let Claude to access the download folder. So I'm going to click in yes. And now let's wait. Here, as you can see, Claude now is analyzing the cap. So now let's wait to the result. Perfect. Now here, Claude is asking us if we want to create an ad for the cap itself or for the platform NovoAds. Because as you can see, it have the logo NovoAds AI. And I'm going to choose the first option, the cap itself. Now it's asking if we want the text in English or in Spanish. This because the cap have text in Spanish. So I'm going to tell to Claude that I want all to be in English. So this because I want to translate the text here. So I'm going to write translate everything in English. The text in the cap as well. So let's click in submit. And now let's wait to Claude. Perfect. Now Claude is asking us if we want first to create 8 images as a pilot, but I want to create the 40 of them at once. If you want to create less amount of ads, you can do it. But in my case, I prefer to show you the 40 of them at once. So let's click in the first option. And now we have to wait a little bit. Perfect. Here we have the result of using only one prompt and answer some questions of Claude. So here we have the ads. And as you can see, the quality of them are really good. We have many different styles and they are all proven static ads that really increase the revenue of the ads. So let's see a few examples of these static ads. This one looks really good. Then we have, for example, this one that is a fake ChatGPT conversation. We have this fake airdrop. This image looks really good. Then we have, for example, this one. And well, you can see all the examples that have a really good quality. So now you know how to create more than 40 static ads with just one prompt. So now in the next part, I'm going to teach you how to copy your competitors' static ads. So let's see you in the next part.